Welcome learners. In this tutorial, we will take you through the process of creating your first Django project step by step. By the end, you will first understand the structure of a Django project. Second, create and configure a new project. Third, run the development server to see your project in action. Step 1. Understanding the Django project structure. When you create a Django project, it includes several important files and folders. Let's break them down. Manage.py, a command line tool for managing your project, for example, running the server, migration, and project folder. For example, full project in my case contains your project's main files. init.py tells Python this folder is a package. Settings.py contains your project's configuration, for example, database settings, installed apps. urls.py manages URL routing for your application. wsgi.py prepares your app for deployment using wsgi, and asgi.py prepares your app for asynchronous communication using asgi. Step 2. Creating your first project. Follow these steps to create your first Django project. Open your Anaconda prompt or terminal. Ensure your DJ environment is activated. Then run the following command to create a new project called full project 1, for example. django-admin start project full project 1. The project is created. To navigate into your project folder, use cd change directory to full project 1. Step 3. Running the development server. Django includes a built-in server for testing your project locally. Start the server with this command: Python manage.py run server. To open your browser, you can click on this link. Now we can see Django's congratulations page. This means the project is set up correctly. Step 4. Troubleshooting tips. Port already in use. If the default port 8000 is busy, use a different port. For example, Python manage.py run server 8080. Then syntax errors. Double check that you have typed all commands correctly. In summary, created a Django project named full project 1. Run the development server Verify the setup by viewing the default Django page in your browser.